Assalamu-Alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel Program for Hack. And in this video I want to show you a plugin I have made for my user bot, which is Mrrobot. If you forget about that bot, because it is not available to host on Heroku. The button is available, but when you deploy it on Heroku, Heroku will suspend your account or maybe the user bot. So I have used another hosting service, which is Railway. If you click on this, then wait for it. Okay, it will create a repository. It will connect to your GitHub account, okay, and it will create a repository or fork my repository into your account, and this is the values you want to put here, and then just deploy it. It is so much easy, okay. And I have only 3 values to put, okay. So I have not uploaded my plugins here. I have only one plugin I have uploaded. So if I show you, I have made a new plugin. Let me see. In Hackers, if you see here, I have a hash cracker plugin, okay. This is the plugin I have made, and I will also upload it here, but I have by default uploaded it here, so no need to upload there. Just forget about it and come here, and if I put here .help, okay, why it is taking time, maybe net is slow, whatever the reason. So here you have to select, here you have to type .help and the category you want to see help about. I want to see about this. If you type here this, and you will see I have a, first of all, just forward it before it disappears. Okay, so here you can see I have a dirtbuster. I have created it, and I have a MD5 hash. This is the commands related to my new plugin, which is hash cracker. You can create MD5 hash, you can crack MD5 hash, you can create SHA-1 hash, you can crack it, you can also create SHA-256 hash, and you can also crack it. So let's start to check it. We only check MD5 because all are the same, but the difference is the hashes. So .md5 hash, and we want to hash a word. Let me say that love you. This is the word I want to hash. Okay, so here is the hash. If you are on phone, then you just want to click on this, but I am in my computer system, so I have to select it. You just want to click on it, it will copy. Okay, now what I want to do is md5 .md5 crack and put the hash. You can see it is cracked as love you. How it is working, actually it has a directory which contains the word list. So if I show you plugins folder, then you see here I have a directory called Wordlist. If I go in my plugin folders here, you see I have a Wordlist. So this is the Wordlist it is using to brute force the password, MD5 hashes, or any other kind of hashes. So what I will do, let's try how if it will get a hash. Okay, so if I make hash of let me say AK hacker and try to brute force it, because this hash is not available. Actually this word is not available in the word list, so it means it cannot be able to crack it. I know it, because word list contains only common words. So you can see here how much length of word list is. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's I think 2 lakh. Okay, So this is a huge amount, and you can see how fast it is trying to crack it. And maybe with time comes when it will not show increasing this, because the Telegram will block the request because of editing the message so much times. So it will be fine because I have handled that exception also. So one more like you can see here, it has not editing anymore because WhatsApp actually has blocked the request. Now it is resumed. So just if you want to stop this, just select this and delete the message of the counting. It will stop automatically and show you a stop message also, I think. Okay, now what we want to do the next is, let me show you where is my MD5 Wordlist. Okay, so let's see. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, I don't have a directory download directory. It's okay. So where is my wordlist I want to send here? If you have another wordlist, you can use it also. You just have to upload it on your userbot. How you upload it? Let me show you where is my userbot, man. Okay, here is the wordlist. So I will upload this file. It is 1.6 MB. Where it's running, let's check the our app logs. I think maybe there is an error because it has not shown the stop message. I will fix it. Let me see if there is an error. The message ID is invalid. That's a problem. Actually, that's not a problem, but it's okay. I will see. It will actually not cause a problem, but I will see what's the error coming from. Okay, so what you want to do is just put here .download. It will download it to your download folder. You can see. Now if I ls my downloads, you will see I have a file here. So I can use this as a word list in my MD5 cracker. So what if I put my name here so that it can crack also? But just leave it. Okay, where is the hash? There is. Now I have also want to specify the word list path, so it's in downloads over common password list.txt. Okay, now you see it starts cracking, and I will stop this. Just delete this message to stop. And this is same as SHA-1 and SHA-256. You can create hash, you can crack hash, and this word list is present by default in the word list folder. You can also upload your own. And one thing more you can do, you can use a word list from the internet. If I show you, let me go somewhere on GitHub, search for word list, MD5 word list, or you can search any word list because it does not matter. Git. Okay, let me see if we have a here we have also a word list. No, here is not a word list, it's a cracker. So this is a word, this is 3.3 MB. This was a huge word list. Let me see. Okay, you can see this word is awesome. So let me try. If there is no Unicode in this word list, it will work fine. Okay, so let's remove these downloads and put the online link of word list, https dot over. Remember, only select this as a raw form, not as that form, like this form. Okay, it will not work. Select this as a raw form, select a direct link of a word list. Okay, so this is the direct link. Okay, so I have used here, and when I enter, you see it has start cracking, and this is 3 lakh long. Okay, 3 lakh word. This is awesome. Okay, so you can also use Wordlist online. Okay, this is also fun. So for now I have this, and the next time I also try to make a plugin of base 64 in encoding and decoding. And also, if you have any idea about some plugins which help me, so tell me. I will try to make it actually. So this is enough for this video. Allah Hafiz, meet you in next video.